Hey guys, for this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn suggested posts off in Instagram. This is a very simple solution and I actually have two ways of fixing it, just in case the other one doesn't work. First, you'll need to open Instagram. Once you're here, you'll be taken to your homepage. As you can see, it says, Suggested for you. Now, what if I don't want this kind of content appearing in my recommended? Well, all you have to do is tap on these three dots and tap on Not Interested. This will block all the content related to the post that you just blocked. If you want to specifically only see the posts from the people you follow, all you have to do is tap on the Instagram logo and tap on Following. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.